guys, Dad Behind the Camera here, and well, good old bipolar sprinter is here. Mother Nature has a April Fool's prank of her own here and give us a bunch of fucking snow. Yeah, just when we all thought it was safe to put our winter jackets away, old man winter raised his ugly head one more time. Crazy, man. Anyway, said I would show those of you who are not from Ohio on my YouTube channel here that we are having some sprinter. Yep. One last dose of winter, I guess. It must be 50 degrees tomorrow, so won't last long. 70s by the weekend. Easter Sunday. So anyway, if you've stumbled across this channel in this video, subscribe, smash the little bell, and that way you can get all the little notifications every time I upload a video. That being said, Dad Behind the Camera. Peace. I'm out.